They laughed when he stepped out of the security line, limping, holding a folded uniform in one hand and his worn-out cap in the other. A TSA officer smirked, shouting, "Sir, you can't board wearing that medal. It's fake, right?" Everyone at the gate chuckled. He didn't say a word. His name was Daniel Cooper, a U.S. Army veteran who'd served 2 tours overseas. 12 years of service, 2 bullet wounds, and a Medal of Valor he never spoke about. Today, he wasn't flying for vacation. He was flying to testify in court, to defend another soldier accused of misconduct. But before boarding, they pulled him from the line like a criminal. They said his military ID looked forged. They questioned him for an hour. Cameras caught everything, passengers whispering, someone recording as he explained again and again, "This is my real ID. I served under that name." They didn't care. They confiscated his medal. He was denied boarding and left standing at the terminal while whispers turned to ridicule. Years ago, Daniel had been nearly blown apart by an IED in Afghanistan. He spent months learning to walk again, haunted by survivor's guilt. Since returning home, he'd lived quietly, until now. The officer who invited him to court needed his testimony to prove another soldier was wrongfully accused. Daniel had promised he'd be there, no matter what. But the story didn't end at the airport. The video of that day went viral. People mocked him online, saying he was faking his service. The airline offered no apology. Daniel gathered all his records, even footage from his old base commander. And then, he filed a lawsuit, not for money, but for respect. In court, the defense tried to paint him as unstable. They said he was seeking attention. Daniel rose from his chair slowly, his leg brace clicking against the wood floor. He looked the jury in the eyes and played the video from his helmet cam. It showed him dragging a wounded comrade from a burning Humvee. Bullets cracking all around, smoke filling his lungs, his voice hoarse as he yelled for a medic. Silence filled the courtroom. When the video ended, the judge spoke quietly. "This man doesn't fake anything." The verdict? The airline was fined. The officers who humiliated him were forced to issue a public apology. And the soldier Daniel had come to defend was cleared of all charges, thanks to his testimony, which proved the truth. As he left the courthouse, reporters asked how it felt to win. He smiled faintly and said, "It's not about winning. It's about reminding people what respect looks like." He walked away without another word. Same limp, same quiet strength. But this time, no one laughed. Then share your thoughts in the comments, but no one liked or subscribed The Soldier.